Hi there guys, Sam here. Welcome back to another video. And I'm going to go through more warranty work that's needed for my Mark 7 Golf R. So yeah, I'll get straight into the video really. Yes, welcome back. You join me once again in the Mark 7 Golf R. Yeah, enjoying it as always. And yeah, if you're not familiar with my channel, I've had recent service a couple of weeks ago or even a month ago now, and I had a bit of warranty work on the battery done, which was all free of charge and all sorted. Or so I thought. So yeah, easiest way to kind of say it, I had a call from VW, the same dealership again. Bear in mind I haven't been particularly happy with them. If you haven't seen that video, please check up there. It didn't have the best of experiences. Basically, when I got back in the car, first of all they charged me for something yeah, they shouldn't have really. I didn't ask for. The car stank of smoke. And it looked like it'd been ragged within an inch of its life, so that's not great. I did actually submit one of their little survey things and basically said exactly that. Took the advice of some people and I went for that. Yeah, so I missed a call from VW last week, and then I got another one about a day or two later from a different lady who I spoke to before. And she basically said, we've had a Alright, so it's so frustrating because it's really, you know, particularly during COVID as well, you don't want to be going back and forth over and over again. You know, they had my car for 2 days at the end of the day. Plenty of time. I have to disinfect the whole freaking cabin and stuff like that. I'm trying to be careful, particularly as it seems like COVID has kind of bounced back a little bit, which was always to be expected. So to, yeah, minimise the risk, you know, yeah, it could have been done better. Anyway, she said to me on the phone, you know, our warranty team have advised that they want your car back to do some checks on the battery. I was like, okay. So instead of just moaning, I just said, okay, you know, how long is it going to take? She said, oh, it'll be about 45 minutes to an hour. And I was like, fine. You know, get it booked in, have to be early. I'll have to take my work laptop basically, and I'll just work while I wait. So I'll be keeping an eye on the car as I'm sort of working. I don't know if they'll give it another test drive or something like that once they fix whatever they fix as part of warranty. Yeah, so a bit annoyed about that. So I've got it in for next week. Today is Saturday. I'll put this out on Sunday morning. So it's going to come, yeah, towards the end of this week. I'm going to have it booked in, and well, I've got it booked in, and I'll see how it goes. I didn't ask why, or for whatever reason, you know, it's not for her to kind of say, and yeah, I just can't really be bothered. I'll probably just let them do it, and then once it's done, I'll probably just say, you know, listen, what was the issue? My theory is that they have either, well, a lot of people have said before, you know, it's important to code the batteries in. I'd be surprised if a main VW dealer forgot to code it in, but nothing really surprises me, particularly during these times. It's quite hard. I appreciate all of that stuff. Or something else. Maybe they put the wrong battery in. I don't know. You know, who knows at this stage. I'm kind of fed up with that dealership. Really am. So hopefully, you know, they don't bullshit me and just, yeah, change whatever they got to change, fix whatever they got to fix. And yeah, and you know, I'm just disappointed that, you know, they had it for so long and they couldn't really yeah, get the job done. And at the end of the day, you know, I gave them best part of £410 for the service plus a few other little bits, and it was under warranty, the battery, but let's just say I actually paid for that work. The main VW dealer is probably going to charge me about £200 to £250. So you're looking at the best part of £650 work over 2 days, and they weren't able to do the stuff that they were, you know, asked to do. You know, it's a lot of cash. So yeah, not particularly best pleased at this stage, and I will, well, I'll do a video on the day when I'm sort of driving it to dropping off at the dealership, see how it goes, and I'll drive it back exactly like I did before, so you'll see it kind of real time and get my thoughts on it really. But yeah, disappointing. Another load of warranty work. And you know, we're in August now, so this car's way past its warranty. So yeah, it obviously got extended a little bit due to COVID. And now, yeah, we're here, and yeah, it's still needing a little bit of work. But yeah, on that, I mean, the car has been brilliant. And actually, you know, after they kind of had it and stuff, I took it for a couple of nice drives, actually, a couple of fun drives off camera, and it was brilliant. It put such a smile on my face, that ability to, you know, get up to speed and shed speed with the brakes, you know, coming up to 30,000 miles, and it's still solid as anything really. And it's a real proper decent little car to drive. And I am loving it, you know, I really am enjoying it. You know, I can really see myself in this car for a very long time. I think with the Mark 8 Golf R, which I do discuss on this channel, it'll be unlikely to go for that just because it seems like it's so similar. If there was to be a Mark 8 Golf R Plus or similar to an R400 style Golf R, that would very much interest me. If they brought out the Golf R400, which was coveted in about 2016, VW had a development product of that in blue. It had a 2.5 litre 5-cylinder 400 brake horsepower engine. I would have definitely gone for that car. So see what they do. Will they drop an RS3 engine in it? Probably not. Or will they just turn up the wick of this EA888 engine? Who knows? But yeah, on this car, it's been great. Disappointing that, you know, it's got to go back. I'll see what they say. You know, it's a little bit hard during sort of these times to get stuff done. I've heard the battery issue is a common issue anyway with these, and you know, they explained it to me before, and it's obviously still not fixed. It's so frustrating. You know, they've just missed something off. But to have my car for so long and still miss it off, you know, I can't think of any, you know, there being any other reason for it. So yeah, disappointed with that. And yeah, it's a bit more time of mine wasted. You know, I've got a busy week of work. You know, this is just my little hobby, as you get to see, my Golf R and stuff like that. But you know, I work hard, so you know, and it's busy times, obviously, with a lot of stuff going on with coronavirus and just more difficult to get stuff done. Yeah, and the car's been a big sort of plus point actually, and I'm gonna talk about it. You know, a lot of you guys, my subscribers, enjoy the Golf R and enjoy the chats about the other, you know, the Mark 8 Golf R, the Mark 8 GTI. You know, even Fast Forward fans on here as well. I do a bit of content on that. And yeah, and then ownership of this. And I do like to kind of portray it because this is like the real world kind of stuff. You know, this is just what we go through. I'm just a normal guy. I just work hard. And yeah, I just happen to have a Golf R. You know, it's yeah, it's a pinch moment to actually own this car and to have it for the last 3 years. Honestly, it's a special thing. I may never own a better car, you know, or you know, who knows what will happen in the future. But yeah, a little bit of a dampener. I don't blame the car, I don't blame VW, it's just the dealer who I'm not massively happy with. But I will probably look independently next year. I'll probably look at different things. You know, I asked them, for example, as part of my service, they did the Haldex, but I reckon they probably just did the oil, so they probably didn't change the filter or clean the filter. So I'll probably take it to some sort of German tuner. I'm lucky enough, I'm not too far away from Milton Keynes, which if you're not familiar with the UK is like a big hotspot for sort of like car places to get done. It's a big sort of F1 type of area as well. Yeah, big automotive development going on all around there. So I think there's German tuners or German servicing place for the Golf R. But if you've got any recommendations, let me know, because I'd certainly much rather go there than spend my time at VW, particularly now that it's out of warranty. They're still dragging on this warranty work. Something that should have been so simple is now not, and it's now 3 days of my time, which I will never get back. But yeah, anyway, that's just a little update on that. I wanted to keep you lot in the loop. It's only happened recently, and I will share that on the day when I have it, when I drive it into the dealership, and obviously when I come back, and I'll feed back to you. And I like that because you kind of get that real-time reaction, how I actually do generally feel, rather than taking like a day or a couple of hours to kind of think about it. You know, you get that instant reaction of what, you know, the experience was like, and that's what I want to share with you lot. But yeah, that aside, you know, have a fantastic rest of your day. You know, have a fantastic rest of your week ahead as well. And, you know, fingers crossed it all goes nice and easy, nice and smoothly, and I can get the hell out of there. And yeah, main thing, plenty more content to come on the channel. Yeah, tomorrow will be my sort of weekly Monday evening video, which, yeah, I think has been proving quite popular anyway. And so, yeah, stay tuned for that and for plenty more content to come. You know, there's news coming out of everywhere. So, yeah, you'll see it here first. But, yeah, thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you again next time. Cheers, guys.